Hello everyone, today I will show you how to commit a file in Xcode. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So this is my iOS app template, and I assume that you already connect the app to the repository either on GitHub or somewhere else. So let's say this is content view and I want to make a changes. I'm just gonna put a few symbols, and let's say I want to commit this content view. I'm gonna go to this folder, and then I'm gonna click uncommitted changes. So the message is required for every commit. Let's say I want to put content view changes. Then after I enter the message, I'm gonna hit commit, and that is how you can commit the changes to a file. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.